Hello everyone, my name is Jitin and I'm the music educator and cluster manager at Furtados School of Music. So you can also play the way I've played and it is very easy. So we'll just learn the basics of guitar. Not very much but just the strings today. Later on we'll gradually develop all the parts and how to be played. So guitar has 6 strings and we start counting from bottom. So it starts with the thinnest string to the thickest. So we'll just go on how the name of the strings are, what the names of the strings are. So it is E, then B, G, D, A, and E. So there are 2 E's, one is a high E and the other one is a low E. So once again I'll just say it is E,